Hey girlfriends, it's Jazz and I'm here with a quick video with Uncle Funky's daughter. Who doesn't like getting up in the morning, having a look like this, ready to go to work without too much styling time? So let's get right into it. So the night before, I'm going to be starting with freshly washed and conditioned hair. And for styling, I'm going to be starting with Good Hair, which is one of my favorite styling creams. One of the reasons because it's not too heavy and it's not too light, and it's going to be perfect to give you that nice fluffy hairstyle that you're looking for. Making sure to brush the product through completely just so that you want to get all your strands coated so you don't have any dry patches where you may have missed product. So it's always good to make sure you brush your product through with each step. To finish off my style, I'm going to be using Curly Magic just to give it a little bit more definition that I would get with using the cream alone. And with this, a little goes a long way. Now with perm rods, a lot of people struggle with getting the hair to stick to the rod and closing the rod. One tip for me is once you get to the end of your hair, wrap your hair on top of itself, not the roller. So that way it sticks to your hair instead of the roller and it will not come out of place. Now I'm going to show you one more time how I close that perm rod. I'll show you one more time how I close the rod. Now there's two ends to the perm rod. So once you finish wrapping, you have an option to close to the front or close to the back. Now I'm going to freeze here. Now depending on where you finish, sometimes the front may be too far away from your scalp. So you can go to the back and then wrap around to give it a little bit more tension so that it stays in place. I only used 17 perm rods and I left this air dry overnight. Now if you have a problem with drying your hair or you just can't sleep in perm rods, I would recommend at least an hour and a half underneath the dryer because these are larger sections. Now look at this shine and definition, and it's still soft and bouncy. So that's one thing I love about Uncle Funky's products is that they give you so much moisture, and even using a gel you still get a nice soft style like this. So I was very pleased. This is one of my favorite styles and I always use these products because I love this combination. They get great results no matter what style I do. One thing I love about this style is that you're already getting so much definition that the separating process is pretty simple. You just tug on it a little bit, give it a little bit more stretch, and then you separate. It's very simple. I didn't use many rods. Like I said before, I only used 17. So this is a great style if you have a quick morning and you want to get ready and get out of the house quick without having to do too much to your hair. Great results. This is always my favorite style, like I said, and the bounce and body I'm getting with these, a cream and a gel, it's awesome. If you love these results as much as I do, head over to Rite Aid to get these products as well as unclefunkysdaughter.com. Let me know what you think, and as always, thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.